Welcome back, viewers. In today's video, we are going to check out the IceWM Control Center. So IceWM is a ICE window manager, and it is the default window manager for AntiX Linux distribution. And AntiX contains many different window managers. IceWM is one of them, and they have got multiple configuration settings for each of the window manager, which can be changed by the user. So that we will do in the later video. In today's video only, we will do the configuration and changes to the IceWM. So let us start. Click here. In the AntiX Control Center, you have to go to System and then open the IceWM Control Center. Once you are there, you can see you can manipulate or edit the toolbar settings, the system tray settings, clock settings, window management settings, menu settings, look and feel settings, auto start settings, and the recent file settings. So we will check one by one. So here, auto hide toolbar on and off. So it is just a toggle. You can see the toolbar goes. When you move the cursor at the bottom, the toolbar will come up. We will keep it on only. Double hide toolbar all off. So we can change the height of the toolbar. Here you can see the height of the toolbar is now double. So we have lost the toolbar. So just a moment. Again, open the control center. Okay, the toolbar is not to be seen now. So there is some issues with the configuration. I have also observed that it is not that reliable. Every now and then it will break. You can see now the toolbar has gone out. It should have come at the bottom, but instead it has disappeared. Okay, so we are now back with the toolbar at the bottom. So the toolbar has recovered. Now IceWM toolbar with width and horizontal position. Let us try what happens. So yes, you can change the toolbar width. Maybe you need 80%. Let us see what happens. Yes, the toolbar length is coming down. We can increase, we can get it maybe 70%. Let us try what happens. Okay, so 70 is not working. We go with 80. Yes, 80 is working perfectly. So it looks like a dock now. And now we can also change the position. Let us see what happens. No, it is going to the right side only. The only option is left, right, and center. Okay. So we will keep it in center. And now what we will do is we will increase, make it 100 again. Okay. That's it. Now show window names on off on the toolbar. So we can toggle this off. You can see it again. Again the toolbar has disappeared. So this happens again and again. Okay, so we have rebooted the second time, and we will now again get the settings for the IceWM manager. Now manage quick launch toolbar icons. We will click this. So there is option to add icon. Let us go and add the icon. So what we can do is we can add an icon for whatever is there, maybe denom node. Yes, we can launch this for the HPLib toolbox. Here is the HPLib toolbox. Yes, the HPLib has come up here. It is working. So one example is good enough, and you can also remove the icon. So we will remove the HPLib toolbox icon. That's it. It is getting removed. Okay, so I did not restart for the third time, but I could kill the app from the toolbar itself by right clicking it and then killing the app. So what I will do is we will go ahead. I have shown you how to manage the quick launch toolbar icons. So now there is a toggle to show desktop icon on and off. So we will use that. Yes, so here this is the, I think, desktop icon on and off. This should be the one. Let me make it off. No, should be somewhere here. Again, you can see the issue has cropped up. So there is no other option but to close the app and then again restart. But I guess we don't need to remove now. Where is that icon? So that icon I don't see. Okay, workspace indicator on or off. So that is also, yes, workspace indicator is there. We have to again close this. So this is not up to you can say acceptable behavior. Every time you have to close the app. Workspace indicator off. Yes, now it is working. Workspace indicator is off. You can make it on also if you want. Workspace manager. Yes, so the set the desired number of desktop, so we can increase it to 4. You can also change the names of the workspaces. Toolbar button off. This feature when enabled allows the toolbar to shrink to the size of a small arrow on the corner of the screen. When you click the arrow or press the Windows super key, the toolbar is restored back to the normal size. So it is not working, but things are not working. Show the weather icon on and off. So where is the weather icon? Yes, weather icon is here. Okay, so Gujarat, India. Okay, so it's okay, it's working. Again,